And match number 58 is underway as we continue the qualification matches here at Mercer University in Macon, Georgia. Right now, the Red Alliance is leading 27-19 with the autonomous points scored. 3 points for moving off the line and various amount of scoring on the reef. Anywhere from 3 to 7 points. As we continue to go on, it's 2 minutes left to go. The Blue Alliance is leading 33-32 as 87-36 the mechanism score high atop the reef. And their alliance partner 69-44 the Wolverines as well. 69-19 the Commodores pulling algae off the reef, coming back to the reef with coral and placing it where that algae was in the center row. That was worth 4 points for them right there. They come back and place another 4 as their alliance partner drops one off into the trench down below the trough. 33-18 places another piece of coral in the trough. That's worth 2 points. And 69-19 scores again for the Blue Alliance. It's 71-56 with 1:17 left to go in the match. The currents are strong at the bottom of the ocean as the blue cages are swinging right now. 87-36 for the Red Alliance approaching the reef. They've got coral in their possession. They drop it down. It bounces off of the trough down into the trench. As 69-44 heads over towards the coral zone to pick up coral from the human player high atop on the barge, dropping it down the chute to the ROV located on the ocean floor. There's 36-35, the Flying Legion moving around the reef, placing coral on the reef. Another score as it's now 94 for the blue, 86 for the red with 35 seconds left to go. It's 99-86. 69-19 the Commodores placing another piece of coral high atop the reef for another 5 points as they move over towards the barge zone right now with 22 seconds left to go. They're grabbing a hold of that low anchored cage. They're going to try to pull themselves up off of the ocean floor and ascend towards the surface. That'll gain their alliance 12 points. As the other bots continue to score on the coral reef, 10-3-76 moves to the barge zone, parking themselves underneath the barge. That looks like they've got 14 or more points in the barge zone, which will gain the Blue Alliance a valuable ranking point as 69-44 ends up slipping and sliding on the algae on the Red Alliance side of the field. It showed 104-104 coming out at the end of the match. But the end game, the Blue Alliance looks like they may have scored an additional 14 points. We'll see when the fish start swimming on the reef in just a moment. Here we go. Let's see if that made a difference on the end game. Blue Alliance is victorious in that match. With a score of 118-104, they did gain the 14 barge points, which catapulted them above the Red Alliance in that match. As the Blue Alliance gained 6 ranking points. They gained 1 for the barge activity. They gained 1, just like the Red Alliance did, for autonomous activity. They also gained a ranking point 4, scoring 5 or more pieces of coral on each level.